Hello everyone. Today we will start new topic, the dignity of labor. So dignity of labor means all the job should be treated equal and should be respected equally. So dignity of labor means respect for all types of labor and not considering any job inferior or superior to other. Treat all the work, all the jobs, all the occupation should be treated equally, as each and every occupation has its own importance. Now before this हमने चेंजेस इन ऑक्यूपेशन में देखा कि कैसे ओल्डन टाइम और मॉडर्न टाइम में जो ऑक्यूपेशंस थे वो किस तरीके से ट्रांसफॉर्म हो गए, किस तरीके से चेंज हो गए. ये हमने मैकेनाइजेशन ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर में भी देखा कि कैसे लोगों की जो जॉब थी वो लॉस्ट नहीं हुई, वो एक्चुअली जो वर्किंग स्टाइल था वो कम्प्लीटली चेंज हो गया. जो पहले मतलब जो टाइप्स ऑफ ऑक्यूपेशन थे वो टू पार्ट्स में डिवाइड हो गए, प्रोफेशनल एंड नॉन प्रोफेशनल. जो नॉन प्रोफेशनल ऑक्यूपेशन थे उनकी 3 कैटेगरीज हो गई, स्किल्ड, अनस्किल्ड एंड सेमी स्किल्ड. स्किल्ड में आ गए इलेक्ट्रीशियन, बार्बर, प्लम्बर, टेलर, कारपेंटर. अनस्किल्ड में लाइक रिक्शा पुलर, पोर्टर्स, वेजिटेबल सेलर, शॉपकीपर एटसेट्रा. और सेमी स्किल में आ गए पीपल लाइक बेकर, क्लीनर, वॉशरमैन एटसेट्रा. ऐसे जिनमें कुछ हद तक स्किल की जरूरत होती है वो आ गए सेमी स्किल में. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज द डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ प्रोफेशनल जॉब. प्रोफेशनल जॉब कौन सी थी? जो इंटेलेक्चुअल जॉब थी, लाइक साइंटिस्ट, इंजीनियर, डॉक्टर, टीचर, डिजाइनर, आर्किटेक्ट्स, फिल्म मेकर्स और मार्केटिंग एक्सपर्ट. ये सब आ गए हमारे प्रोफेशनल डिफरेंट प्रोफेशंस में, जो प्रोफेशनल जॉब जिन्हें कहा जाता है उनमें. सो coming back to dignity of labor, basically all type of works or jobs are necessary in the society. We must respect all of them. No work is superior or inferior, because work is a work. It is absolutely wrong to consider any work as good or bad. The work itself is a dignity. Even the father of nation, Mahatma Gandhi, used to do all type of work on his own, even cleaning the toilet, and he fought against untouchability throughout his life. पूरी जिंदगी उन्होंने untouchability के against उन्होंने fighting की. He worked for the upliftment of people who were treated unequally. He believed in equality of all and freedom of all occupation. And see, उन्होंने खुद उन्होंने जब ये अनइक्वालिटी फेस की थी उसके बाद ही उन्हें फ्रीडम की इम्पोर्टेंस पता चली थी, एंड उसके बाद ही उन्होंने लोगों को अवेयर करना स्टार्ट किया था रिगार्डिंग द फ्रीडम एंड रिगार्डिंग द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ इक्वालिटी इन द ऑल एस्पेक्ट ऑफ लाइफ. Now, do you know that all work is the same, whether done with head or hand? They have equal importance. Whether they are intellectual work or whether they are manual work, they all are equally important. So next is gender discrimination. So gender discrimination is, it means that discrimination based on the person's gender, and usually the women or the girls affected gets affected by this discrimination most. It is wrong attitude of men against women that has existed in India. Girls and women are not given equal opportunity, whether it is in education, career, or in the political system. But it is changing slowly, and women are claiming their rightful places in the society. So an important aspect of the changing trends in occupation is increase in the participation of women in various occupation. When the rural men started migrating to cities in search of occupation, in search of job, the women took over the responsibility of farming and related activities. But their work is not respected and they are not given the same wages that are given to men. Though women form 50% of the Indian population, yet they do not get an equal share in occupation, education, or the health facility, or even in the parliament. So many women suffer due to this unequal treatment, which is known as gender discrimination. But now many women are taking up occupation that were so far labeled as male occupation, जिन्हें मेल ऑक्यूपेशंस कहा जाता था, उनको अब टेक ओवर कर रही हैं काफ़ी सारी जो वुमेन्स है. इवन आर्मी, नेवी, एयरफोर्स, यहाँ पे भी जो बुरी तरह से मस्कुलाइन जॉब्स जिन्हें माना जाता था, वो वुमेन्स टुक ओवर कर रही हैं. स्पोर्ट्स एक्टिविटीज़ में भी कुश्ती जैसी गेम में और बॉक्सिंग जैसी गेम में, जो अगेन बहुत ज़्यादा मस्कुलाइन मानी जाती थी, इन गेम्स में भी women's are playing and they are getting fame for our country. Now, there are many women engineers, doctor, teacher, architects, scientists, consultants and pilots in cities, and in rural areas these women, they are working in spices, matchbox or agarbatti factories, and they have also taken up job as health workers, teachers, and even in panchayat. In panchayat, they fought for sarpanch election also. They are making an important contribution to the development of our country. And do you know that research shows that majority of women workers in rural area are illiterate or semi-literate. But now the scenario is changing. They are getting education and taking up different occupation. Many urban professional women have taken up highly paid and responsible jobs, and you can see number of women in our parliament is also increasing. So with this chapter, changing trends in occupation, is over. Bye bye, take care.